What the fuck is happening, bro? Is there going to be another lockdown? What do you think? I also think there is.
It's happening. It was in the paper. Definitely happening.
Yeah, it's been. Why is it that every year in March? Yeah, it's like we're in a news.
It's like news
The
reporting.
lights and everything. It does.
We
feel
just
like
need
that.
Ali behind the camera too with his.
Teleprompter.
Ali's behind something else right now. Our producer is missing in action because
He is in action, bro.
Our producer is getting action.
Nice. This is, I think, the best start to the yeah.
Yeah,
Stewie's debut.
yeah. Let's welcome Yugu, who's a recurring guest.
Every day.
Stewie is making his untriggered debut. Let's see how well he does. If he does well, then we'll keep having him on.
Yeah.
We'll
see his performance.
Yeah. Just make sure you speak
Oh yeah.
into the mic. Otherwise, people will think you're speaking from the other room.
But I'm right here.
Yeah.
That's what Amin feels about his audience.
Dude, I feel it feels good to be doing this again. It's been a while since I recorded one. COVID.
I think it's,
I had.
yeah.
Dude, it's like every time I try to get into stand-up comedy, it's like the universe doesn't want me to get into it. Last year when I booked my first slot, they announced the lockdown that same weekend.
Yeah.
Then the next time I booked a slot, I got COVID. So I was out for like 3 weeks.
That didn't stop you.
It's from me.
This time at least.
Yeah,
so
so
far.
I started doing it and now they're doing a lockdown again.
It's definitely an agenda, bro. I
It's a
think.
sign.
It's
bro,
an
I think.
agenda against me.
Yeah. You're having too much fun, bro. Like
Yeah.
now. Bus.
I
you
am.
had fucker. You had 2 holy parties this week.
And-
Or holy kale. Lavde.
When they'll watch this, it'll probably be holy.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I don't know, man. I was at home for 2 weeks and now I am really testing those antibodies. I'm putting them to the test. Yeah, but I feel like there's going to be a lockdown. Like it does feel like it, right?
Yeah. Like all signs are at least pointing.
First
तुमको
night.
बोला कि होएगा.
First night, bro, they're gonna come.
Who told
First
you?
night.
Bomb. First or second, probably. My mom told me. She has some insider info.
Yeah, his mom is in the CIA.
CBI though.
CBI. My bad. But if they do a lockdown, do you think it'll be a proper strict lockdown like last time where it's like a zombie land? The shops are open for an hour every day.
Like exactly like last year.
Yeah.
How it was. Nahi.
I don't think
It
they can
can't.
do
It
that.
should be, bro, that way.
Why?
No, I just feel they'll
Yugu
do
just
that
wants
shit,
to,
bro.
Stewie just wants to have a different
No,
opinion.
he's,
No, but
he's
I'll-
the contrarian.
Yeah, but like, they probably will have it like that.
A strict one like that.
Yeah, probably.
The thing with those ones, I don't know how useful they are. Like, do they actually?
It didn't last time.
Yeah.
I mean,
It worked last time?
it didn't work last time.
Exactly.
No, honestly, I feel like they have done the best they can. Like, it couldn't have been better than this. Like, there's nothing they could have done to make the situation better. So
Yeah.
I was like, oh, let's all blame the government. They're doing a lockdown again. But like, I don't know what else they could have done
True.
to.
They
Right.
could have done वैसे.
In a country like India, you have to consider that also.
I feel like boss, I don't want to talk about this shit anymore. Like I just want to be done with it.
Yeah, but this is a podcast, so you have to talk about it.
End the episode here, bro. That's it for today.
Yes, nah, but like
There's
it's been 1 साल हो गया और फिर भी यही like I'm talking about the same thing. I'm
Yeah.
saying
But
Yes.
to be fair, we got a very in the middle. We had a very long period of do whatever the fuck
that's
we want.
exactly why we need to
Yeah,
have a
yeah.
lockdown again, na? नहीं करना था. Like that's why I'm saying he was.
But that's the thing. You can't keep people inside the house.
I completely agree.
You can't do it. Like once you may try to do it, but people are not going to listen.
with that.
Look at us, bro. Where did we ever listen? Initially, we sat at home.
At the start, I think we all were shit scared. I feel
You fucker, you were going around cycling on Aund Road that time.
But no, that's not the. That's when stuff had started opening again.
That's when you were cycling.
not stuff. Also, just you were allowed to go out and you had
For like a
night
few
curfew,
hours a
yeah.
day.
Yeah.
So I went cycling though. That's the best thing I could have done.
That's when I was in the hospital.
Yeah.
But not for COVID.
COVID.
तू
Best
चूतिया है.
you don't get the diseases that are trending. He
You
goes
need
for
something
all-
outdated.
Late bloomer है वो बाद में आता है.
Yeah, but that at the start, I think we all were super scared. We thought like everyone is going to get it, like the world is ending.
It's like now
Yeah.
1 out of 5 people has it, sort of.
Oh, everyone
At
has
one
it.
point, everyone I knew had it at the same time.
Everyone?
The past
All my friends, all these fuckers.
the past week though, I've just been seeing people
हाँ.
testing
Testing
positive,
positive.
one after the other.
Correct.
Like when I was in quarantine, I had nothing to do but like text people and talk to them. I was talking to a bunch of people, and they were like, "Oh, I'm also at home only. I have COVID." I was like-
Everyone's
now everyone's getting it. That's probably why they're doing a lockdown. But yeah, man, people at least they can manage. Let's say for a week, a couple of weeks. But then I feel bad for businesses too. Like these people,
Again, yeah.
they've done nothing wrong this whole time,
Yeah.
right? And it's so bizarre, bro, that the government can just say like you have to stop working now, and we're not gonna pay you shit. Like
Bro, I
deal with it.
Keep telling you, David Icke was right.
Don't say his name, bro. Our
He'll
channel will
get
get
cancelled.
banned. No, our channel will get banned by YouTube. They don't like him.
Seriously?
Yeah, even Alex Jones. Like, if you have Andrew Schultz got him on the podcast,
Huh.
and
Oh, yeah.
they removed the
Okay.
YouTube removed it.
Just blur his name.
Yeah, but then, dude, what are they supposed to do? And the thing is, they keep giving them new restrictions, like do this for restaurants, especially do this only outdoor, only these many people, and they keep saying yes to everything. They follow everything, they do the best they can, and then suddenly they are the first ones to be told to.
They're
fuck
always
off.
gonna get fucked over.
And now it's what 8 p.m. you have to shut.
8 p.m. is when I'm still getting ready at home.
They just, I feel like they just want the bars to.
They
shut.
don't want them to do business,
Yeah.
basically.
They want the bars to shut.
It's because they can no longer cash for drink and drive. So might as well close everything early.
You think so? You think
Yeah.
that's why they're doing
That's
it?
the reason they had that stupid
So
10 p.m.
so much
curfew,
liquor
11
is
p.m.
selling,
curfew.
bro, but like अभी दारू की दुकान में कभी भी लाइन रहता है. Like,
Hmm.
at all times.
Because people
bro.
are drinking at home more.
Exactly.
No, plus people are drinking and driving freely. Like, there's no cop that stops you for a
Yeah.
breathalyzer.
Yeah.
So that's why cops are losing out on money. Worst max that they can do is take 500 from you for a mask.
Mask, yeah. I feel like this whole lockdown that they're doing, it's basically like everyone take the fucking vaccine. Let us sell everything we
Yeah,
have.
that's exactly why
That could also
almost
be.
everyone's
Oh,
testing
yeah.
positive.
Yeah.
ये हमने डिस्कस किया था थोड़ा बहुत.
But then I know people who tested negative also. So like it's
No, but positive after vaccine is also getting common. सबको फिर से even after taking the
but the vaccine itself, they haven't said it's 100% efficacy. It's pretty
clearly
low.
हाँ.
So,
Clearly.
so yeah, I don't know.
Exactly, but I think that's true. Like now they want to make sure जितना budget में डाला है, like so fucking some 70,000 crores in vaccine, ठीक है? So now vaccine has to sell.
Yeah, everyone has to get it.
Everyone take
But
it.
isn't it free, the vaccine?
No, it's not free.
I don't think it's free.
Not here at least. Maybe it's like people who can't afford it, उनके लिए हो रहा है कुछ scheme.
I don't know. My mom and dad both got it.
हाँ,
Forgot to ask them.
grandmom.
Are they
Whether
okay?
they paid or not.
Are
yeah.
they okay?
As of now, both of them are fine.
When did they get it?
My dad got like 4-5 days ago, and my mom got around 2 weeks ago.
Suddenly you walk in, your dad has an extra limb growing from somewhere. You never know, bro. I'm 100% for vaccines. Everyone go take it. I can't say otherwise. No, I haven't. I don't think we can yet.
Not
I think,
yet,
I think it's 50 plus now.
40.
Now it's 40 plus.
45, I think. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. Are you gonna make your parents get it?
Yeah, bro. लो भाई पहले लो vaccine.
Yeah. Maybe then they'll chill.
Yeah, just relax a little bit. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Kids should also take it, man.
Kids don't
सबसे
get,
ज़्यादा गंदगी बच्चे ही फैलाते
but the
हैं,
kids
मेरे को
don't get
पता
the
चला है.
disease.
हाँ, true.
That's the thing with kids, bro. They're always sick. In school, right? Indian schools though are like a best setting if you want to get a large
Spread
number
out.
of people sick. for no reason.
कुछ भी फैला सकता है इधर.
Or there's always like 4 kids in class who are sniffling and there's fucking shame word coming out of their nose.
कौन सी स्कूल में था रे?
You guys didn't have sick kids in your school?
Sick kids were at home na laude. If you're dying coming
No,
to
not
school,
dying,
हम
but
घर
you're
पे
dying.
रहते थे.
yeah.
If you're not too sick, you
Like-
don't have a fever, you're just sniffling.
Yeah, usually you come.
You know what's the
Parents-
solution to that in school? Put your head down, bro. That's it.
हाँ, that's
Every teacher will tell you put your head down.
I have
Like,
a-
I've got cancer. They will like put your head
I
down.
have a story about that, bro. Fuck, I just got reminded. So, my parents were like most parents. If you're not too sick, you're still going to school. You know,
Correct.
it's like, get the fuck out.
Hmm.
So, my dad was over smart. He'd give me pills. He'll be like, if you get a headache, take this. Because the nurse, they like, if you go and say you have a headache, they give you Gelusil. And they ask you to drink water.
And your dad is a pharmacist.
Yeah, so he has a
Yeah, you can trust him.
yeah, he'd give me medicine, but
like you can trust it fully. I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's your.
Yeah.
बहुत.
But then medicine would make me sleepy.
हाँ.
So this one day in science class, okay, in the recess I've taken medicine with my food. I'm fucking drowsy, like I'm going like this. So I put my head down and sleep. And these 2 fuckers who are sitting next to me, they're like, he's sleeping, we'll also sleep. They're not sick. I'm the only sick one. Then the teacher sees 3 kids sleeping in a row. He's
last
not
bench, yeah?
No, like somewhere in the middle.
Okay.
And then he's not going to take it, right? He'll just be like, what the fuck is going on? So he wakes us up one by one, and he has a metal scale. It's like, put your eye on it. Okay, I'm woken up, I'm like drowsy from the medicine. I'm like, what's going on? And he hits me like 3-4 times. Like my hand was like swollen. I go home and my mom sees it. Okay, I didn't think too much of it, bro. I was barely conscious. I slept after that also, bro. I was like, dude, the thing is, he didn't give me a chance to speak.
Okay.
Right? I was trying to tell him.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
I was trying to tell him.
You have to get beaten.
Yeah.
Otherwise, how
And also, he had hit the other 2, so he could have not. He couldn't like not hit me. Everyone would be like, what the fuck?
But you tried to tell him, right?
Yeah, but he wasn't listening. And I was, so like he didn't let me finish my sentence. He's like, no, okay. And then he wanted to finish the portion, bro. He didn't have much time. So then I go home. My mom, she finds out and she's like, why were you sleeping? I said I had taken medicine because I wasn't feeling well. And I'd gotten a fever, bro. So like I was feeling actually sick. I was just waiting for the school to get over to get home. And I told my mom, and my mom, she loses her shit. Like she's like, how can he like hit someone who's sick and is on medication and is sleeping? So she loses her shit. She's like, I'm coming to your school tomorrow. She comes. Yeah, she comes, bro. She goes to that guy. I felt bad for the guy after, like my mom was done with him.
Done with him.
She was like, I'm come to hit you. Like, it's like the same way you hit him, I'm going to do the same to you. Right? She went to the principal. She's like, you either kick him out, you either fire him right now, or I'm taking Amin and Ali out of the school. And then this guy, like, he apologized for an hour, pretty much. Bro, you should. He'd come to class. He'd be like, "Good morning, kids. Good morning, Amin." Like I'd get, and after a while, I was like, dude, please hit me. Like I was fucking around then because I knew he's not gonna do anything.
Damn.
He'd say Amin and he'd just look. He'd like stop himself from even yelling at me. It was insane.
You had him by the balls, bro. After that, but so the mistake that he made.
Yeah.
Fun story, bro.
Yeah, in school, your school though, I'm sure you guys got beaten up like nobody's business.
We're beaten like bitches, bro.
Your school, I think, was a bit less. I think your.
No. See, the thing is, people assume कि Simbi है तो थोड़ा class रहेगा.
Yeah.
I
कुछ
know,
नहीं.
bro.
We've been beaten, I think, just as much as these guys.
But then these guys, like, you hear stories from their school. Like, you'd know their teachers. Which other school's teachers did you ever know by name?
Yeah, bro. Like our school, everyone knows
Yeah,
This
that
one person who used to
Yeah.
like beat everyone up back in the day.
he's got a reputation.
He's got a
Like
reputation.
people, I would hear tales about that guy's personal life. So imagine how scary.
ठीक है यार. You win this one. चल.
Boy, his school.
My school wins.
Did your school ever cut people's hair?
Cut? Yeah, they were about haircuts.
No,
they
but
would
did
cut it
they?
themselves.
Would they get like a scissor?
No,
Go
they,
to the root of your hair and then like just chop
No,
it off
they-
if you've grown it a little long.
Sorry.
This
Now you know who wins, bro.
It's like a human rights violation, bro.
There is some violation there, bro. I'm
This
sure.
is back in the day,
It
but
should- now it's okay.
now it's
But
now
they
that's only
passed
with
the-
snowflakes.
They passed a law also. When we
Yeah.
were in school,
How
like halfway
we-
through, they passed a law where you can't hit.
Correct. 90s kids were the like we were the last 90s kids
Yeah,
to get
to get
beaten
beaten
up and
up.
shit. उसके बाद सब ठीक हो गया ना इन लोगों के लिए.
There was something about getting beaten up, bro. Like it for. I'm not for it, but I could. I don't think it's the way you discipline a child, but I've seen it work with a lot of people.
I
Right.
feel like it should be justified.
A beating.
हाँ, beating should be justified. Because
what justifies a beating? I'm interested to know. Like an ass whooping
proper ass whooping by
by a teacher or by a parent. Parents,
see,
I feel they
teachers
have.
and parents only have one thing for us कि तू पढ़ाई कर अच्छा मार्क ला ठीक है और they have that thing in common ठीक है so as anything you do that doesn't result in good marks ends up in a beating in some way तो
Yeah.
और कुछ नहीं है bro
True.
if you don't like get good marks or shit or some shit you get a beating
Or you're not working towards getting good marks.
you're getting a beating ठीक है
Yeah.
और तो कुछ नहीं
Did you get a lot of beatings at home?
just because of math bro just because मेरे में नहीं था वो मैं
You have a dinner table story or what? Where your dad is trying to teach you and you're crying.
this is छोड़ आज मेरे को डैड के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करने का है
Ali, bro.
but it is exactly this has happened to me
But it's happened with everyone.
it's happened with every person
No,
सारे
some
बच्चे के साथ हुआ रहेगा.
people's parents aren't good at math, so they can't even.
Yeah. Then they can't really
Yeah.
blame the child.
My dad was decent at math, so Ali, and I was also decent, so I never had a
Yeah.
situation like that. Ali, bro,
Ali got a beating
not a beating, but it was worse than a beating, bro. Like the kid just wouldn't get it. He just keep crying, and my dad is like teaching every sum to him like 8 times, and he's still not getting it. So obviously my dad is also losing his shit. It's like how the fuck are you not getting this?
Fuck.
And you met my dad, bro. He's not someone who'd hit
He's-
you,
he's
but
the-
he's hit
he's the-
Ali while teaching him math. He was that bad.
नहीं यार
टफली दिया था उसको एक बार.
This is fucker without ठीक है skills vary ठीक है it's okay man even if you don't get the simplest math problem it's okay
No,
It's
Ali
fine.
wouldn't know the tables.
bro how tables कैसे सिखाया तेरे को बता
1 1 1 2
हाँ
2
और
2
याद कराने के लिए there was a belt bro if you didn't
I don't know.
इसलिए
I
तो
never
याद-
experienced that shit, so
Stewie got good marks
I was
in
a
school.
smart kid.
Oh yeah,
somewhat.
you were. So you used to top and stuff, no? What?
That was the last
क्या-
time
क्या फायदा?
I was there,
we
bro.
peaked.
It's been all downhill ever since.
So we
Yeah.
peaked at 8th standard.
yeah correct
But till 8th standard, most of us are decent at studies, no?
yeah because
Yeah,
it's
I think after
designed
that you're
way,
just
bro.
like-
it's
No,
designed
there'd
that
be
way.
dumbass kids in my school who'd fail in 5th standard, or no?
क्योंकि bro because they probably had fucking their own businesses and
In 5th standard?
In fifth standard, you're not going to
उनके-
understand, bro.
like उनके उसके घर पे कुछ ambition नहीं होगा to like do something they were like हाँ मेरे को school जाना है ये वो I'm set
I don't know, bro. No, some.
ये it comes from
Actually, no, I feel like it's opposite. Well-to-do kids usually do better in school.
they often do I agree
Yeah.
like numbers wise but I'm saying there's a good chance कि वही वैसे ही category में there are kids who don't give a fuck
Yeah, yeah. But
और फिर college में आके भी you can see कि these guys like कितना they give a fuck about
at college, most people don't give a fuck. From what
हाँ,
I've
bro.
seen.
true
Or depends. My college, at least, I cleared my
Your college was beautiful.
cleared my 3 years without studying.
yeah your college was nice
Anyway, we were talking about getting whooped and stuff. Did you had a sibling, right?
Yeah, had.
So,
She's still alive.
you have a sibling.
I have
no,
a sibling.
like a sibling you grew
Yeah,
up
yeah.
with, right? Did you ever get beaten up for beating your sibling up?
So many times, bro.
No, beaten up by your parents.
For beating my sister up, yeah. She's older to me, so she knew. And the thing is, at one point, she was way stronger than I was. Because she's like, she was pretty older than me.
Yeah.
Correct.
And she'd hit me, and then we both would get into a fight. And then I'd hit her back. And then my dad would walk in, he's like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And then after, like, I think after I became like 12, I was never allowed to hit her. My dad had that like one ground rule. He's like, you cannot raise your hand on her. Like, fair enough. And then she used to sit hitting me and run away.
That's a decent rule.
But then even she was pretty old enough, so then she also stopped giving two fucks.
See, the thing with older and younger siblings is the older sibling knows he can't hit the younger sibling.
Yeah.
Because if I, like, let's say when Ali and I were kids and I went full power on him, he'd die. Right?
so wrong.
No, if I like actually hit him hard, he would die. Right?
You would die. I mean,
Now Ali's like grown taller than me, and like he looks older. Before it, Ali was pretty
I
small.
remember him. I met him when he was shorter than me.
Yeah. So before that, imagine like when we were
We've all
growing
met
up.
him, bro.
Yeah.
So we'd get into fights, but I'd never like hit him properly, and so that made him think he's stronger because he'd go full power, right?
Okay.
So it was always
I've heard this.
a weird thing where I can't hit him, but I'm strong enough to like hold him off. But and that's pissing him off even more, and he thinks he's stronger than me because he hits me, and it's just this whole situation. But have you ever hit your sibling, okay, and they start crying,
Yeah.
and then you know you're going to get an
You're
ass
fucked.
beating, so you go to them and then you're trying to convince them to stop crying, and you're like, you hit me now, come hit me. You hit me how much ever you want.
Yeah, this is a pizza or like you have to do something, bro, to rectify, because once you do that,
I have a very good story for this same scenario. So this one time my sister and I were beefing for no reason, and we were alone at home.
Yeah.
So I'm sitting and watching TV, so just to come and piss me off, she comes and sits on the armrest of the same sofa as I
That
do.
pissed you off.
It was pissing me
You were
off.
spending
No,
too
it was
much time.
basically because the two of us were still beefing.
Yeah.
okay.
And she keeps annoying me. And this is when I'm like 11, 12, and I'm not allowed to hit her or anything. So I'm really annoyed, and I just push her off. So she falls, and she's like just still over there.
Did she hit her head?
So you see in my house, there's like one step.
Oh,
So
fuck.
I'm just sitting over there, I'm watching TV after I push her up, and I'm like, why isn't she moving?
Bro, yeah.
I get up and I go running because I see there's a step right there. I'm like, fuck, she's hit her head. I'm dead at this point.
Oh, in that.
In that small area, and she's just like lying down.
God, she was
The
acting.
fuck. So I'm going and I'm shaking her. She's not moving. I'm shaking her. And then I burst into tears, bro. I'm like, I'm sorry, I didn't want this to happen. And she wakes up and she's like, fuck you. Like
Well
nothing
played.
had happened to her,
Well
bro.
played.
That was
I called it.
that was one of the
But
best
that-
things she's
that
ever
part,
pulled off.
yeah,
bro.
Bro,
Correct.
so she was acting the whole time.
She was acting the whole time. Nothing had happened to her.
I'll tell you a story where there was no acting.
And
You guys know the story, right?
your viewers have to listen to this story, bro.
Bro, and it's fucked up because I was like 4 when this happened, like 4 or 5, 4 I think, and Ali has just started walking, like he's 2 years old. So we're just doing time pass. I don't know what do kids do. They just run around the house.
4-year-olds.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
They just run around the house and do stupid shit, right?
Probably. That's
So I was holding this straw, a plastic straw,
good.
and Ali's trying to take it from me. Okay, so I'm holding it full tight, and he's pulling. Suddenly, his eyes go up like that, and his mouth is open, and he like falls like a stick, like just gets knocked the fuck out. I didn't push him, didn't do anything. I think he just put in too much pressure, and his body gave up. His little 2-year-old body, and he collapses. He's like a fucking stone, not moving, nothing. His mouth is still open, and I lose my shit. I'm calling my mom. My mom comes, and there's no heartbeat, nothing. The kid's not breathing. He's gone limp. And then my mom starts screaming, so the neighbors come. We pick him up. The fucking shopkeeper from outside the shop, he left his shop. He got in the car. My mom and like one of the neighbors, they're taking him to the hospital. Like everyone in the area has come down. There's a crowd of like
What the
50 people.
What happened to him?
I have no clue. He just stopped breathing and passed out. That's it.
I
A
hadn't
2-year-old
heard this story,
baby.
bro.
Never heard this story.
No,
fuck is
he
this?
passed out and everyone's assumed he's dead because he's not breathing. It's been minutes since he last like
Moved.
there was a last heartbeat.
Okay.
We get in the car, we're going, suddenly he starts crying. Or like comes back to life.
That's the reason he's so smart, bro. Now.
I think
That was the day it all changed.
yeah, I think he experienced like afterlife for a while and like came back to life. He had a
He probably went on
DMT
other
trip
dimension.
at 2 years old.
ऐसे बच्चे को मार रहे मैथ्स नहीं आता है सटा सट
You should be happy he's alive.
बच्चा मर के आया है फिर भी मैथ्स के लिए मार के आया।
Oh man.
That math spares no one, bro.
Okay, guys. Think of how I felt, bro. I'm thinking I've killed my brother.
At the age of 4.
Like I'm crying. My mom's crying. Everyone's just crying, thinking.
Man, that's a fucking weird thing to experience, bro. When you're
Yeah.
a 4-year-old, कुछ तो उसका आया रहेगा अभी. Some part of that is there.
That's
in
the
you
reason
guys.
he's like
My
this, bro.
behavior.
now.
Yeah, for your.
No, but then after that, Ali and I used to fight solid, like beat the crap out
You
of
were
him.
never scared क्या कि what if
What if that
कुछ
happens
करने कुछ
again?
है and he just
Bro, Ali and I would have WWE
Yeah.
like proper. We had a double bed even then. So, and the mattress was one of those like big mattresses. So the spring was deep. It was like a WWE ring only.
If only you had that bed right now, bro.
Yeah.
only a few things I feel bad about is like you played on that
Yeah.
thing, ठीक है? And you and your Ali नहीं
your
No problem.
sibling.
तुम में 3 साल का डिफरेंस है 2 साल का तो यू आर लाइक सिमिलर एज प्लेस ठीक है
Yeah.
फिर भी मैं मेरी छोटी बहन को
RKO.
गाड़ी पे एटीट्यूड एडजस्टमेंट कार के बोनेट पे शी इज बाउंस्ड ऑफ दैट थिंग एंड शी फेल
She's
No.
you can't see me. But she's like,
उसने वो सब खाया है भाई
oh
I
man.
feel really bad now.
Yeah, but that's what younger siblings are for
Younger
practicing.
siblings,
And
exactly.
she turned up, I mean so far
She good at maths.
she's like great.
Oh.
She has you to thank, bro, for that RKO.
Exactly. और मैंने मार खाया था तो
Yeah, and I didn't get hit much as by my parents at least. School mein I used to get hit a lot. I'd be punished all the time. But it was fucked up because I like every alternate period you'd see me kneeling down next to the board, or I'm standing outside the
not
class.
uncommon for a lot of people.
Yeah, standing. I was that kid who like would get sent out a lot and shit. But I used to do well in study, so the teachers were also like in a weird place.
इसकी गांड कैसे मार
I did well because I spent most of my time outside the class. If I was listening to them, I probably wouldn't do shots
He
fired.
was still in ICSE.
Yeah.
State board के बच्चे
Yeah,
बैठे
we
थे.
have another pain, bro.
Oh yeah. You guys.
Loved it.
But I mean, at the end of the day, how much difference there actually is between the boards? I mean, there is a lot of difference, but outcome is usually the same. We all go to the same colleges.
Then we all sit here like 5 years down the line.
I wish there was a statistic to show like do ICSE kids tend to do better in life.
I'm sure there is. I'm sure there is. होगा 100%. They do.
I don't know, man. It's so weird to have different education boards where you can choose from. You're like, oh, this is how I'm gonna study. This is how I'm gonna study.
I don't think we.
I don't think a lot of countries have that. I don't think you get options. You have this one thing where everyone's studying. Right?
नहीं man. I don't.
I think IB is there for everyone, and then there's the what everyone else studies. I don't know. It was boring as shit. I didn't think I'd be talking about
Schools.
school is fine. I didn't think I'd be talking about studies.
Study, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's the only thing we used to pretty much talk about, bro, for the longest time with people.
Yeah.
Like the other day, I was walking down and there are these two, maybe 8th standard, 9th standard, this boy and girl, right? They're walking
Hmm.
and
Cute.
and they're talking about.
First
He's like,
love.
They're talking about their studies and all. It's like English ka wo chat.
Studies,
Yeah.
they yeah.
Like I could overhear them. I was like, fuck, these guys have nothing else. Like we also, for the longest time, we had nothing else.
They have. They can't.
I mean, at the
They
age
can't
of like
talk.
12, what are they gonna talk?
They're not 12. You're not 12 when you're in the 8th or 9th.
course
You're
you are.
going through puberty at that time.
No, you're
5
in,
plus
you're
8, yeah,
in,
that's you're 13, bro.
So what? Oh, you hit puberty late.
I'm yet to hit puberty.
Self roast.
13 is when. No, 13 is when we start
When your
hitting
balls drop.
puberty. Yeah.
12,
Your voice
okay,
becomes
man.
all fucked up.
Yeah.
No, I think mine was like 15 or something.
I guess.
Ahan and I, both of us used to
Ahan
have
ka
the same
parso
issue.
hua
Bro.
Ahan is going through it right now. No, but Ahan also suddenly his
He
body
jacked up,
changed.
bro.
Yeah.
His shoulders become. I mean, people don't know who the fuck we're talking about.
Put a picture.
We'll
Of
just put a
Ahan.
photo of him
Before
before
and
and
after.
after, bro.
Yeah. That'd
Makes
be good.
sense. Yeah.
He's like, bro, why you put this, bro?
I think he wants to do the podcast as well. He was.
That'll be like the longest podcast ever, bro.
Yeah, and we'll talk.
Subtitles लगेगा.
Subtitles definitely लगेगा.
थोड़ा Ali को extra काम लगेगा bro edit में.
Anyway, he's missing right now. Might as well put him to work back then.
Yeah. Yeah. So what? You guys are just going to stay home for weeks now? Because you know how these lockdowns are, bro. They start it and then you don't know.
I'm actually
You don't know when it's going to end.
scared a little bit. I don't know if it's going to be exactly like last time.
And then it just goes on forever.
Then we're fucked.
Because it's literally we're back. It sort of feels like we're back. It's like 60,000 cases फिर से. That was like the peak 60-70 के बीच में था. Then that means जब तक जाता नहीं फिर से. So
I
it's
don't
like
think
a,
it'll be as
a
bad.
couple of
bro.
weeks or a month at least.
I'm hoping it's not that bad.
It won't be because now we have the vaccine apparently. So if that has to be a factor, that's gonna make a difference. And maybe if you want to talk about herd immunity to some extent, if everyone's getting it, maybe in the next 2-3 months the cases will drop quite a bit.
They will drop at some
Yeah.
point, but तब तक lockdown रखेंगे कि क्या? Because
Yeah.
that's the question.
The best thing you can do is
Best thing you can do is what you're doing.
leave the state.
Yeah.
What is your plan if they
Uh-huh.
announce a lockdown?
I'm going to Goa for sure tomorrow. So there's no two ways about it.
So you're escaping all of this.
I'm gonna be
You're
gone.
pulling a fucking the great
That's
escape,
a big,
bro.
big move, bro.
It's not just me though. A lot of people are doing it. People have
Yeah.
moved
Yeah.
permanently to Goa
I
because
wouldn't mind that.
they've realized, oh, I don't need to go to office anymore to do the job that I do. I can work from home.
Hmm.
So many people are working from home.
Yeah.
Everything is cheaper over there. Rent is much cheaper. You can get pretty nice like Goan homes for.
Fuck off, man. I'm feeling.
Let's do it, bro. We'll all shift.
If
Let's
I
go with
could-
Amin tomorrow.
If I could, I would, bro. Why wouldn't? Why would? But now it's going to start raining, and then I don't think.
There's still a few months left for the rains, bro. June.
Yeah, but
It's
it's
April,
going to get.
May.
I'm
It's
pretty
going
sure
to
it's
rain, fucker,
really
no matter
hot.
where you live. It's
Exactly.
better if you're in Goa and it rains. It's okay.
But Goa rains are mad, bro.
Yeah.
They're really fucking.
There's storms.
They're storms, basically.
But then,
That's the
is
risk
there
you take
is
when
there
you-
much to do in Goa otherwise? Like, if let's say you take the beaches away,
Hmm.
what else is there to do?
What do you do in a city?
You go gamble, bro. When the beaches are taken away. Gamble and drink.
But places shut, right? The shacks shut.
Yeah, they do.
For some people.
But do pubs and clubs also shut in Goa?
I don't think so.
I don't know about that.
They shouldn't shut though.
They shut at some point.
During the
4
year?
AM.
No, like during the year, shacks
bro.
shut from.
Shacks have to shut.
Yeah, they have a season. They operate during that, and then they're shut.
They're shut for like 3-4 months a year.
Yeah.
Arey, off season bhi there must be something, bro.
Yeah.
It's not like we don't know the whole scene,
Yeah.
but I'm sure ऐसा नहीं है कि बंद ही होगा.
I don't know what living there will be like.
We haven't, so
It could be.
I
Maybe
would
it's
love
not
to.
for everyone.
I would love to at some point.
Yeah. Just why don't you go and I don't know, become a waiter or something and go and just live life, become a bartender, and live the Goan life for the rest of your life. That will love. I mean, you won't be a waiter for the rest of your life.
You'll be promoted to manager, bro.
I don't know.
मेरे को पता नहीं था मैं career advice के लिए आया podcast में.
And the advice is become a waiter.
But it's a
Yeah.
nice life.
Yeah, so
It'll be a
If something goes to I'll take that.
Goa is like the place people are moving to now. That's like probably first priority if you want to go somewhere, because COVID doesn't exist there.
yeah. Goa is like
They don't care
It's
about.
funny how in some states there's no COVID.
There probably is, but Goa is not a place you can shut. If you shut Goa, the state does nothing.
imagine they start shutting things at 8 o'clock in Goa.
Yeah.
Why the fuck would anyone go there?
Um,
बंद करो. The government भी बंद करो.
It makes no sense. You can't shut Goa. I think Goa was the first place to open up after the lockdown. Also,
Goa was always open, bro.
Yeah, low-key they were always
Yeah.
open.
Yeah, and that's how it should be. You can't shut Goa. So that's the place people are moving to. Even there are a lot of other places also you can go to, like Mangalore, for example. I'm promoting Mangalore.
Invite
tourism.
people.
But it's a very small city, right? And I don't know, man. There's something about that city.
Yeah.
Like the energy is always good. You know that
You've not been there, no? You go.
You go to some places and you just it just feels good. You're like,
That place feels calm.
yeah.
Like the two of us got off the bus.
Man,
Both of
there's
us are
a-
wearing hoodies and shit. It's fucking some 40 degrees outside. But it's so fucking calm, bro, that place.
It
Yeah.
has a beach, bro. Any place that has a beach.
We didn't even go to the beach, and
We
it
never
was-
got to go to the beach.
Fuck off.
But the city is small. The thing about small cities is, if you live there, you know most people, right? By small cities, I don't mean like Pune. Pune, everyone thinks it's a small city. It's a huge city.
But still everyone knows.
But that's because of the
True. It's not
class
social.
divide.
True.
And class and socio-economic divide. That's something else. But with Mangalore, it's like with small cities, wherever you want to go, you get there pretty quickly. So, dude, I assume most of people's daily stress would reduce if they didn't have to deal with traffic and traveling. Think about it. Right? So with cities where you don't have to travel as much, you're like naturally more calm. And then I don't know, man. It's something that you can't explain. Like you just want to stay there. You're like, okay, I could live here. I don't need anything.
No
else.
wonder our friends don't come back, bro, when they go there.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so cheap, bro, Bangalore. Like,
And the food is probably one of the best in
it's
India.
bang on, bro.
So, yeah. It's an underrated city. Whoever goes there, they want to keep going back, but not a lot of people go because from the outside you're like, okay, there's nothing to
Yeah,
do.
there's nothing to do. You remember that's how the two of us judged it before going there.
Yeah.
You were like, we'll spend 2 days in Bangalore, then push off to Bangalore because there's nothing to do.
Yeah, we thought we'd go to Bangalore and party. We went to Mangalore, we had the best time. We
Yeah,
went
the
to
best
Bangalore,
time.
it was just like, okay, this is. I mean, Bangalore is also a lovely city. I wouldn't mind living there. But if I had to choose between Pune and Bangalore, I'd choose Pune only. But then, yeah, it's nothing. There's no soul to.
There's no soul.
To that city. Like,
You're gonna see Yugo on the second, bro, in Bangalore, the way you sold it to him right now.
no, Yugo's being a bitch. He's not coming.
Just do it, Yugo.
Yeah, let's convince him to come. Bro.
Okay, let's make this whole podcast about
This
convincing
could actually
Yugo.
be a very helpful bit because a lot of people are in the same situation as you. They probably at some time they've wanted to go somewhere and their parents aren't letting them. So
Okay.
how do you think you should go about it?
See, you can't reason with logic and a
Yep.
proper argument. So you can't win. There's no way to win.
So what
I
if
can't
you
help
go-
you, bro, with this.
What if you go around it? You're like, okay, my parents aren't going to listen to logic. I have to convince them in a way that they will get convinced. Because we all know how to push our parents'
yeah.
buttons.
No, man. See,
I know exactly how to convince my mom for stuff.
your mom.
Hmm.
She needs no convincing, bro. She just
She's
agrees.
the best, bro.
No, but I'm that way.
She understands. That's how I'll put it.
True, but then there are times where I have to convince her.
But so she understands. That's what I'm saying. You have to convince her, and when you go with a logical argument,
Yeah.
it works.
But that way, see, I'm an asshole. For the convincing also, I know I'll eventually convince her, but now I've gotten spoiled, so I want to do it in the quickest time possible. So I know exactly how to pitch. But that way, I'm very manipulative, bro. Even with my friends, like if I want them to do something, they end up doing it.
ठीक.
We should take note.
Look at
bro.
you guys, you're sitting here
We're
doing
sitting here.
I insisted. ठीक है.
ठीक है नहीं. But
I'm saying, okay, in this particular case, there's just too many factors. This COVID shit is there. My grandmom is there. There's too much. Like I can argue. There's a very simple argument. और मैं ही जीतूंगा इसमें. क्योंकि literally जहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ, there's no cases.
Yeah.
So there's no like need to be worried and shit. But
And you're getting tested before going.
Exactly.
Probably getting tested before coming.
before
back.
and after,
Yeah.
ठीक है, I'm taking every precaution. कुछ there's no as such risk.
Yeah. And
ठीक है.
we're not going to a place where we're going to be going out a lot.
We're going to like one place.
And it's a
One or
group of
two
friends who are
places.
going to be together.
Yeah.
So it's a close
Correct.
group.
Everything is, well, it's not risky at all.
Yeah, so
but
COVID isn't a factor realistically, but you have to make them understand that.
yeah, how would you do it?
I would go and say, okay, you said no to this. I want to know what your reasons are. So I'm going to listen to what you say because I don't have a choice. Your word is final, but at least give me a reason. Right?
The reason is going to be what if?
What if you get COVID?
Yeah.
But
No,
that you can get
you
anytime.
can,
bro.
but you can say I'll get tested before coming back. So that if I test positive, then I won't come back, or I'll, yeah.
You test positive, just stay at someone else's place. Tell them.
Not even that. Just say I can stay there for as long as I want. But
It's actually,
no. See, that way I also understand because you have a higher risk of catching it by traveling than staying at home.
yeah bro, but
then if
logically सोचेगा तो नहीं है उतना जितना अपन सोच रहे हैं.
Yeah.
But it's just, you just can't convince.
I mean, see, for me, if they've already said no, I would try my best to change it into a yes because then I have nothing to lose. Right? You're not losing anything by trying to convince them.
Just give it your all, bro. You have 4 days.
Yeah.
Oof. Good pitch. That was.
Probably even I won't be there in Bangalore, but you will have fun.
No, now we'll move to him.
Okay, Stewie.
What is your problem?
I have work, bro. That's
Bro,
my
but then
only.
you said you can take a few days off, right?
Yeah, but the
Fucker.
issue is
You haven't taken a single day off.
in 6 months.
Yeah. It's been
But-
6 months.
Yeah, it's been over 6 months, bro. Almost 7.
Okay. So,
But the issue,
Employee of the year, bro, he is.
but the issue is,
Your parents.
it's no. I don't know. Probably them as well. I'll have to convince.
But your dad.
I won't have to convince
no,
them.
for Mangalore, I don't. Your dad goes there 5 times a year.
Yeah, he won't have an issue.
Yeah.
My mom will probably throw a fuss. So the thing is, it's not even about money because I can sponsor myself
Yeah.
at this point. So it's about work, wherein I'll have to put it in and be like,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to go for a few days.
Yeah.
It's an emergency.
क्यों तू बोल क्यों नहीं जा सकता?
No, I can tell them. But another issue is it's the end of the financial year and the beginning of the next. So we have to like go through with our actionables for the next year.
I understand.
For like getting a raise and stuff.
No, not for getting a raise.
नहीं.
But you have to like set out a plan for the next year. And now the whole business model is changing, so that's where I'm stuck.
Okay, but worst case they'll fire you,
Yeah, that's the worst case.
and you get another job. You're not doing some extraordinary job, bro. That it's like, oh, I can't lose this. You will probably get a similar job within a week,
Yeah, you never know.
right? Now
Let's see.
imagine they watch this.
They all
Yeah.
watch this, they see it.
Yeah, obviously.
They're like, you're fired.
They'll think I'm from some other company. I'm trying to scam them. Okay, bro, I don't know, man. Like, we've never gone on a trip together.
Yeah, that's the thing. All of us have never been together on a trip.
I've gone with him. With you, I don't know if a Bombay trip counts.
Bombay doesn't count, bro. It has to be more than a day.
Places, man. We went to the Meher.
Yeah, but that's not a trip.
That was where all of us, that was one trip where all of us were supposed to go, but then
That was like rehab, bro.
Boss, bro.
For 3 days.
What do you think like all these ashrams and
Yeah.
retreats are?
Yeah, So I'm not going to.
Loki, I
Over
feel-
there, they give you food 3 times a day,
Yeah.
and that's it. और कुछ नहीं मिलता.
But the thing is, I feel bad for missing out on that.
Yeah, it was a good.
Like I stayed
You
back
didn't miss out on much.
No,
You
like we
missed
would
out
have
on
had
3 meals a day.
for 3 days.
for 3 days.
For 2
bro.
days, no, for 3 days.
No, but there is also something about that place where you go and you think about stuff that maybe
It was
you,
good. We didn't talk for a while,
Yeah.
right, when we were there.
Yeah.
No one was talking to anyone.
I know. I had
It's-
video called Ali. Talking
He
to
wasn't
him.
talking.
No, he was like, I was like, shut the fuck up, because I need some advice on some shit.
yeah. So we've never gone on a trip together, and that's just sad, man. We've been
It's pretty
friends
sad.
for so long.
It's pretty sad. It's. What can I do, man?
Oh, this is something you can tell them. I've never gone on a trip with my friends.
That's like the
Why?
worst thing you can tell a brown parent, bro.
Why?
I've never gone on a trip with my friends.
Because they'll get offended first of all.
Yeah, like, how can you? How can you enjoy? Why,
How dare
why
you?
you want to enjoy?
What if I
Enjoy
spoke to your
later
parents?
in
I think, but I think then they'll stop liking me.
Yeah.
Well,
My dad, anyway, is not a fan of you.
No shit. You
He's
spend
like,
more.
"बाहर जा रहा है?" I mean के साथ बाहर जा रहा हूँ.
I don't blame your dad, bro.
Shut up, bro.
नहीं,
I'm
is.
I'm gonna storm off. We can end the episode.
That can be a thumbnail, bro. Like your clickbait
Me
title.
walking out.
I stormed out of my own podcast.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm the rider provider, bro, for this group.
can't argue with any of that.
I make shit happen.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's been a while. On that note, we'll end it. I hope, guys, if you watch it till here, comment what we should tell Yugo's parents
Yeah,
and
I
his
think
boss.
we should. And my boss will probably understand. We need to convince Yugo's parents.
Yeah. So,
Shit,
one
man.
like equals one
Comment,
convince.
Yeah, comment like your reason, like how you can, or enjoy. Your
Yeah.
Or if Yugo should just pack his bags
Yeah.
and leave his
Back
house
and-
altogether.
हाँ, वो मैंने बहुत consider किया है bro, but once I'm back, उसके बाद क्या?
Go somewhere else.
They'll be mad for a couple of days. Then what
Exactly.
else?
And
Well,
it's just you would you want to live with that then, like ये कुछ
I
भी
mean, bro, after the trip, you'll probably be asleep for 2 days anyway. So, like, you won't have to live through it.
Man, I can't argue anymore.
You're probably gonna have like really good memories, bro. So
Oh.
It'll be worth it.
it'll be worth it.
Stay away from my trigger, I'm a loaded.